4:30 a.m. Getting ready to go outside. Walk outside with me. Look at the weather at 4:30 in the morning. Chinatown. This house going down. It's about 16 degrees right now. Beautiful winter wonderland. Beautiful. Yeah. I mean, the whole thing is, I'm getting ready to go to my little area, but get up, man. 4:30 in the morning. It's nothing like a little early morning adrenaline flow. Get the juices flowing. So what, it's freezing in the morning, who cares? That's how we do. Get things moving, man. What you need to do too. Yeah, I'm gonna stop here for a second. I'm just gonna show you what's going on. This is the type of weather I'm jogging in this morning. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna show you the gear too. Boots, hoodie on, everything. No real big deal. That's right. We get it in. It's beautiful out here in the city. This is why they say the city never sleeps. Because it doesn't matter what time you get up. It's always something open, something going on out here. The city is awesome. So I don't know where you're at and what you're doing in your part of town or country or whatever, but this is how it's going down in the city here. So yeah, let me put the phone away. I'm getting ready to throw some gloves on. I'm about to go ahead and get a little 30-minute quick jog in, because we know I don't like jogging, but I love living. So it doesn't take an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours of working out. A little something goes a long way. All right, so get up. It's not this morning, next morning or whatever. Set this as an example, man. Doesn't matter. 16 degrees, snowing like crazy. 4:30 a.m. Your boy Chocolate Vegan is out here, man. Chocolate Vegan's out here. Till the next time. It's not about me, it's about we.